Hi everyone, this video is in the continuation of the chapter Transportation in Animals and Plants. So in this video we are going to study the new topic. I think transportation in animals it was completed. Okay, fine. Excretion. So we are going to start a new topic in this video, and that is the excretion in animals. So excretion in animals. So focus problem always arises. All right, focus. Okay, all right. So as we know that there are various biochemical reactions that occur inside our body continuously, and these biochemical reactions they produce a lot of waste products, including carbon dioxide, ammonia, the nitrogenous compounds. Nitrogenous compound means the compounds of nitrogen. So now they produce a variety of waste, and if these waste they get accumulated in our body, they can be fatal, they can be toxic for our body, they can be dangerous, okay, for our body. So there is an ardent need to remove all these wastes from our body, and this process of removing these toxic wastes from our body, it is termed as the excretion. And all the organs that remove these toxic and the fatal wastes and these dangerous wastes from our body, they are termed as the excretory organs. All right, so excretion, I just told you right now what is excretion. The removing of, I hope it's in the focus. All right, so removing of all the toxic wastes from the body, okay? So this is termed as the excretion, okay? And the it's in focus, fine. And this process of removal of these toxic waste is termed as the excretion itself. And the organs which they aid or they assist in the removal of these toxic waste, they are termed as the excretory organs. So now let's just study about the excretory system. Means all these organs, there are many organs which work together to remove this toxic waste, and they all together they form a system which is known as the excretory system, okay? So let's just study about the excretory system in human beings. In humans. So this excretory system, now in human beings, excretory system has a pair of, I hope it's visible, fine, a pair of kidneys, यानी कि we have two kidneys. दिख रहा है ना, focus, fine, ठीक है? And a pair of ureter. I'll show also all these through a diagram, okay? And we have a urinary bladder, and we have a urethra. All right, so let me show you also through the diagram. Okay, this is the diagram. So now the kidney which I was talking about, these are the kidneys, these both are the kidneys, okay? एंड these ये जो green मैंने green pen से which I have drawn these tube like structures, these are the ureters. alright, this is the urinary bladder, this thallus like structure. ठीक है, this is the urinary bladder. और ये है आपका छोटा सा जो आपका पाइप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, ये आपका यूरिनरी ओपनिंग है. और ये जो यहाँ पे ऐसे पाइप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इसको यूरेथ्रा बोलते हैं. जो आपकी यहाँ पे नीचे यूरेथ्रा के नीचे जो सर्कुलर ओपनिंग काइंड ऑफ थिंग इज दैट, इट इज़ नोन एज द यूरिनरी ओपनिंग. ऑलराइट, नाउ द अदर पार्ट्स आर this blue one is the renal vein, and this red one is the renal artery. So what is their use? Let me just write it for you. So what does this renal artery it does? I'll just write the use over here, renal artery. So what does this renal artery does? It brings the blood, I'm writing over here, it brings the blood to the kidneys. Alright, this renal artery it brings the blood to the kidneys. ठीक है, and this renal vein, what it does is it takes away the blood from the kidneys. Alright, it takes away the blood from kidneys. ठीक है, the purified blood which is sent back to the body for the normal circulation, that one. Okay, so this is how our human excretory system it looks like. So now let's just understand how does it works. Okay, so now our kidney has these are kidneys, bean shape की kidneys होती है, and it is brown in color, brownish. ठीक है, it is bean kind of structure. These kidneys have the kind of bean kind of structure, and they are brownish in color. And now what happens is these kidneys, these are present, हमारा backbone होता है, and each one of the kidney is present one on the either side of the backbone. यानी कि बीच में backbone है हमारा, और इधर एक kidney होगा और इधर एक kidney होता है. Alright, so now what these kidney they does, they act as filters. How do they act as filters? So let's just study about that. So the kidney has a large number of long coiled tube which are known as the nephrons. ठीक है, let me just write it over here. So nephrons, let me just write it down. So अच्छा मैं पूरा ही I should write it down. So the kidneys has I should write each kidney has, because I have written has now. So each kidney has large number of long coiled tubes. क्या नेम है उनका? I just told, known as nephrons. ठीक है, and these nephrons they act as the filters. These nephrons they act as the filters. So how do they act as the filters? Let me just tell you verbally first, and I'll write it down. They remove all the nitrogenous waste and water from the blood जब भी वो पास होता है किडनी से. So now what happens is, I'll tell you from the starting. So now what happens is, ये जो renal artery है it brings all the blood to the kidneys. ठीक है, and in kidneys there are nephrons. So whenever this blood containing waste it passes over the kidneys, these nephrons they come into action as they act as the filter. So what do they do is, say they just remove all the nitrogenous waste and water from the blood when it passes through the kidneys. ठीक है, so how do they act as the filters? By removing the nitrogenous waste and water from the blood. all right. And this and that purified blood, when the nephron, it purifies or it removes all the waste from that blood, all the excess of water and the waste product from the blood, it is sent back to the body for the normal circulation. And who takes it? The renal vein, it takes it away. Okay, so this excess of waste and nitrogenous waste, they are removed in the form of urine. Okay, all this nitrogenous waste, they all are removed in the form of urine. All right, urine. Okay, and this urine is removed from the kidneys. ये urine आपका कैसे remove होता है? This, अच्छा, I'll write it and then I'll show it to you. And this urine is removed from the kidneys by those ureters. ठीक है, so let me just write it down. Urine is removed. Whatever I am telling you verbally, I am writing the same. So urine is removed from the kidneys by the ureters. Okay, let me just highlight this word, this organ, ureter. All right, so now उसके बाद क्या होता है, जितना भी यूरिन होता है हमारा यूरेटर के थ्रू आपका नीचे आ गया. ठीक है, सो नाउ इट इज़ कलेक्टेड एंड इट इज़ स्टोर्ड इन द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर. ठीक है, लेट मी जस्ट राइट इट ओवर हियर. आई होप इट इज़ इन द फोकस. फाइन. सो नाउ द यूरिन is collected and stored in the urine. I should write it from the different pen. Urinary bladder. Okay, and is finally disposed of and is finally exposed of through the urinary opening जो कि आपकी यूरेथ्रा के एंड में लोकेटेड होती है. लेट मी जस्ट फर्स्ट राइट इट डाउन वट एवर आई टोल्ड इट राइट नाउ. एंड देन urine is expelled. Urine is expelled out by, this word by is not proper, I should write through. All right, so through the urinary opening at the end of the urethra. So let me just explain you through the diagram. ठीक है, so renal artery, जितना भी आपका blood which is containing waste पूरा लेकर के आई आपकी kidneys में. ठीक है, and you know better that your kidney, they have the long coiled tubes called nephrons which act as the filters. So वो सारा का सारा जितना भी waste होगा, waste water and the waste product, they'll remove it and then the purified blood will be sent back via renal vein to the body for the normal circulation. And then this nitrogenous waste, it is removed in the form of urine, क्योंकि उसमें water भी है. ठीक है, तो urine, it is removed in the form of urine. तो वो urine को भी body से remove करने की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि उसमें waste ऑलरेडी वेस्ट है. ठीक है, तो वो यूरिन आपका, ये जो ग्रीन कलर के ट्यूब्स जिन्हें हम यूरेटर बोलते हैं, इनके थ्रू ट्रैवल करते हुए इस यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में स्टोर हो जाता है और इस यूरिनरी ब्लैडर से यूरेथ्रा के थ्रू यूरिनरी ओपनिंग से बाहर निकल जाता है. इट्स सो सिंपल एंड वेरी इजी. ठीक है, सो नाउ आपकी बॉडी में आपकी स्किन के थ्रू भी आपका एक्सक्रीशन होता है. ठीक है, आपकी स्किन के थ्रू आप देखते होगे ना, स्वेट फ्लूइड दैट कम्स आउट. आपके छोटे छोटे पोर्स में से, स्किन के पोर्स में से जो फ्लूइड बाहर निकलता है, स्वेट, पसीना. ठीक है, वाटर, सॉल्ट, यूरिया एट्सेट्रा, इट ऑल कम्स आउट फ्रॉम द स्किन. एंड योर लंग्स, they also excrete the carbon dioxide during the respiration, right? Large intestine, it removes all the undigested food through the anus. ठीक है, तो ये जितना भी आपका undigested, unwanted, toxic चीज़ों का जो which is expelling out of all these waste product, unwanted, undigested products, and this process is known as the excretion. ठीक है. So now there is one more thing in the kidney wala thing which is very much important. So see, we have a pair of kidneys, right? Means we have 2 kidneys. तो अभी क्या होता है, कभी कभी वेन एवर किडनी हमारा क्या करें, बहुत बड़ा काम करें, जितना भी हमारा ब्लड में से जितना भी गंदगी होता है सारा का सारा निकाल देते हैं, ठीक है, बॉडी के बाहर भेज देते हैं. तो वेन एवर वी हैव 2 kidneys, राइट. सो वेन एवर one of these kidneys, one of these 2 it fails, ठीक है. अगर इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक ख़राब हो जाता है, it get damaged, सो क्या होता है, तो अदर किडनी इज़ इनफ टू फुलफिल द एक्सक्रीटरी नीड्स, ठीक है. अगर 1 kidney इट इज़ डैमेज, देन अदर किडनी 1 kidney इज़ इनफ टू फुलफिल ऑल द एक्सक्रीटरी नीड्स. बट in case if both the kidney they get damaged, they fail, then what happens is the person cannot survive. क्यों सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएगा? क्योंकि सारा का सारा जो बॉडी का जो वेस्ट है वो बाहर ही नहीं निकल रहा, वेस्ट फिल्टर ही नहीं हो रहा, ब्लड भी फिल्टर नहीं हो रहा आपका, ठीक है. तो वो टॉक्सिक, मैंने भी बताया था स्टार्टिंग इन द वीडियो, जितना भी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है अगर नहीं हटाया गया हमारी बॉडी से तो वो टॉक्सिक हो सकता है, फैटल हो सकता है, डेंजरस हो सकता है. तो सोचिए अगर किडनी जो आपकी फिल्टर कर रही है, एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट्स को निकाल रही है, वही फेल हो गई, देन ऑब्वियसली दैट पर्सन कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. तो ऐसे लोगों की बॉडी में क्या हो जाता है, एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ टॉक्सिक वेस्ट हो जाता है. तो इन लोगों की बॉडी से पीरियोडिकली जो ब्लड होता है इट इज़ रिमूव्ड, पीरियोडिकली ऐसे पर्सन की बॉडी में से नाइट्रोजनस जितना भी वेस्ट होता है फ्रॉम दी ब्लड, इट इज़ रिमूव्ड बाय द आर्टिफिशियल किडनी और द डायलिसिस मशीन, ठीक है. और इस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं, जितना भी नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट होता है, रिमूवल ऑफ दिस नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट फ्रॉम द ब्लड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ डायलिसिस मशीन और द artificial kidney it is known as the dialysis और artificial dialysis, ठीक है. एक्चुअल में डायलिसिस होता है, इट इज़ अ सेपरेशन ऑफ लार्जर मॉलिक्यूल्स फ्रॉम द स्मॉलर वंस. जितना भी मतलब वो एक अगर नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में कहा जाए तो रिमूवल ऑफ द वेस्ट, एंड अगर ये आर्टिफिशियल तरीके से किया जाए, किसी मशीन के द्वारा किया जाए, तो हम बोल देते हैं आर्टिफिशियल डायलिसिस, ठीक है. सो आई होप दिस डायलिसिस पार्ट इज़ ऑल्सो क्लियर to you people. Fine, so that is it for this video, and then we'll be meeting with the last topic in the next video, that is all about the transportation system in plants, so and removal of the water and the waste product from the plants. So till then, stay safe.